Our next section is, the next class after alphabets is days of the week. So, we have 7 days, Monday to Sunday. So, I'm going to tell you how these words are pronounced in French. Of course, the vocabulary is different from English to French. So, we're going to discuss that. Monday is lundi. We always call like lunar eclipse, lune. Lune is a Latin word which for moon. Of course, in English also we're saying Monday because it has come from moon day. It has derived from moon day. So that's it. In the same way, just remember it like this. Lune is moon in Latin. So even in French also it has come from there. So lundi, L-U-N-D-I, mardi. Mahdi. I'm not pronouncing it as Mardi, remember, it's only Mahdi. I'll tell you why we are not pronouncing R when we discuss about pronunciation rules. Then Wednesday is Mercredi. It's not Mercredi, no, Mercredi. Then Thursday is Jeudi. Friday, Vendredi. Saturday is Samedi. And Sunday is Dimanche. Dimanche. Let me tell you the heading, like how do you say days of the week in French? Days of the week is jours de la semaine. Jours de la semaine. J-O-U-R-S, but I'm not saying jours, it is only jours. Jours de la semaine. Semaine means week. Jour means days. De la means of the. Okay. So I'll quickly repeat once again with the heading and all days of the weeks from Monday to Sunday. Jour de la semaine, days of the week. Lundi, Monday. Mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday, Samedi, Saturday, Dimanche, Sunday. Like in English, we have day after each and every, like at the last word is day. In the same way, in French, we have di. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, like that. Only for Sunday, that di comes in the beginning. That's it. Fine. So, good to go. Days of the week. So, how are you going to practice this? Every day, the moment you wake up, look at the calendar or remind yourself what day is it today. Say that in French. What day is it tomorrow? Say that in French. What was yesterday? Say that in French. Remember things like that. So you will have to practice, unless and until you practice, it won't come.